In this video, police chase a suspect on foot across the freeway in the Mission Valley area of San Diego.
Sure, 10-4. TC. TC on the freeway.
26 John for bail. He's going to cross the freeway. He's going to be a BM. He has dreadlocks. He's down the canyon side.
Oh, he rolled. He's hit the fence.
He's at the fence line. He's wearing a tan t-shirt, blue shorts. 26 John. He's in the equipment yard. 26 John. He's heading north toward Arrow Drive exit. John, we have eyes on him.
Police going into that.
26 John, he's heading into the industrial yard. It's going to be next to the two white cylindrical tanks. 26 John, okay, officers are coming in. I'll walk you guys into him. He's currently going on top of the hill. He's about 50 feet from the base of the hill. Okay, for the K9 unit, just continue straight, and then the construction worker's gonna flag you down in the orange sweatshirt. He's gonna be just north of him. I'm gonna go back. Thanks, man. That way when collision comes, they could just...
All right.
You have to go to the dog already? Yeah. No. No. Coming up, Bobby. Okay.
So we don't know exactly where he is, but apparently he's further up.
One of guys. Sit. Blijven. You guys don't know where. Over here. Over.
Find out.
Over. Over here. Right now he's up on the top of the hill at least. Taking a break.
So obviously, just make sure we're just keep out a rear gunner, but we haven't cleared all that stuff behind us. Find him!
I don't think he's gassed. I've never seen stuff gassed before. I think he's just sitting there. Revere! Yeah, he's stuck. Should I call him back?
Yeah, you can try calling him back.
Yep. Follow. Follow. I'm right here. So. Hey, there you go. Follow.
If he's moving, I'm do this thing. I don't want to do too much control. Let him get in the set. See that wind's picking up?
Yeah. It's right here. I saw his tail a minute ago, but
You want to push up this for them?
again,
We're going to push up a little bit as much as you can.
I don't know if I can get up this hill. Follow.
Let him work it and we'll push up towards him. I like that he's already up there, sir.
It's on the right. Fight. Hey, don't fight the dog. You need to bring the dog out to me so I can safely get you out of him. You need to keep your hands where you can see him.
You're going to get shot.
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Let me see your hand.
Grab up dog.
Let me see your hand.
Grab the dog.
Help me.
Bring him out. All right, bring him all the way back. Watch yourself. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Watch him. Pull him back all the way back. I got him.
Hold on. You want to get medic started?
Please. It's bad. It's deep.
Nelson?
So,
Yes, sir.
we'll take a look at it down there.
Okay.
It's deep. It's deep. Hey, sir.
Hold on, what's the best way to get him down?
Probably this.
Stop moving so much.
I came up on the top, sir.
All right, let me see you. Just pull his shirt down a little bit.
I came up on the top.
Shirt down.
I came up on the top.
Yeah, we'll start medics.
Keep it strong. I was in.
Give you several notes, and then why don't you come out? 1141, adult,
We come out soon.
male, maybe 40, dog leg.
I didn't do anything. What the hell?
Let's escort him out. If he doesn't move.
Why is that happening to me? Why is that happening to me? Why do you bite me? Why do you bite me?
Can you help?
Get that for you?
Yeah.
Bring it down the ground. I got you.
All right. Yeah.
Oh God, this is going down. Oh, that hurts so bad.
We got medics
That hurts so bad.
medics in route. Hold on.
What's your name, man?
Oh,
What's your name?
my name is Daniel.
Daniel?
Yes, sir.
All right, Daniel, come on.
Help me, God.
You're going to come with
I
me?
got you. I got you. He said he's coming on me.
Daniel, I need you to chill out, all right?
Watch your step.
Step down, Daniel. Daniel, I need you to watch your step.
Oh, I got him. Okay. He said he's off in the picture. Oh, yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, I know. Why are these cuffs on me, though?
Hold on,
Sir, why are
let
these
me
cuffs
get
on me?
down, and then,
Sir, why are these cuffs on me? Sir, why are these cuffs on me? Sir, why are these cuffs on me?
all right, Daniel. Daniel, let's go.
Oh, let go of me. Let go to him. Let go. You go.
I got you. We got a minute.
You hold me. You hold me. Oh, my God. Oh, sir.
Yeah, I got him.
Oh, sir. Help me, sir. Help me, officer. Please, sir. Help me, officer. Help me. Help me, officer. Help me. Why am I under arrest? Sir. Why am I under arrest? Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, Dude, why am I under arrest?
They'll let you know in a second, all right?
Wait, trespassing? I've been here before, so... Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Oh my god. It hurts so bad before. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Oh god, help me. Oh god, help me. Why am I under arrest?
Hey, did you lose some keys?
No, why am I under arrest?
Did you lose keys? All right.
My son. Oh, it hurts so bad. Why am I under arrest?
All right, we're gonna go over here. Yeah.
Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh, it hurts so bad.
Take a step back, boss. We got medics in route. Check it out, okay?
All right, cool.
What'd you say your first name was?
Daniel.
again? Daniel? What's your last name?
Reyes.
Mirez?
Reyes.
Reyes? Daniel Reyes. What's your date of
That hurts so bad. Why am I under arrest?
Good. All right. Yeah.
That hurts. Why am I under arrest?
All right, just have a seat in here. We got medics on the way to look at your wound, okay?
Oh, it hurts so bad.
What were you last arrested for?
Stolen vehicle? No. I'm sorry, evading.
Evading? Are you on parole right now?
No. But why am I under arrest right now? Why am I under arrest right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Why am I under arrest right now?
For a stolen vehicle.
Why? What are you talking about?
Got to that dead end, so we can have medics. Medics aren't coming in.
Okay.
So like this was the dead end.
Did you lose some keys?